Hello, and welcome to our channel, Tech Titans. We will show you footage of satisfying construction techniques applied by skilled workers within that industry in today's video. You will be more than impressed by their skills, machines, and routines. Today's construction industry is dominated by cutting-edge technology and unrivaled workmanship, a combination that has proved deadly in delivering fantastic results. Now let's look at the process, the machines, and the people who make our lives better through construction. Make sure you watch the video till the end and leave twice as wise. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy the video, and feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Subscribe and allow notifications for more of our incredible videos. Number 1. Concrete pavement construction. To kick us off, the construction of concrete home pavement using modern machines coupled with extraordinary artistry. Today's concrete pavements are being built smoother than ever before, providing an excellent riding surface while retaining the superb surface texture and skid resistance. Firstly, the process of constructing quality pavement starts with adequate preparation of the existing soil surface. Any graded stone can be added as the base material, like quarried stone, crushed stone, or any material that can achieve the proper density with as few voids as possible when compacted. While deploying the concrete mixture machine, the amazing construction workers construct the pavement's base foundation, flattening the well-mixed concrete with a hand roller, a machine tool widely used in road construction. After that, the workers apply their construction technique in smoothing the pavement surface using hand spades and wood. Using a bull float, a piece of construction equipment needed in the process, the workers smooth and level the concrete surface immediately after it's screened. It typically involves a long pole for reaching across the foam. The construction workers then use a brush-like machine to design the surface before employing a curing compound and a hand sprayer to the wet surface to reduce cracks and help concrete set at the desired rate. The end product is perfect, healthy, and long-lasting. Every concrete constructor must have a complete set of tools to have the job done, and these workers have just that, and a fantastic skill set to complement all of that. Installation of precast concrete stairs. Next up is the process showing the workers installing precast concrete stairs. Preformed concrete steps allow builders to install steps without creating precision molds. The first process in installing the external stairs involves measuring the steps' footprints, then transferring them to the ground. This process involves the use of heavy equipment, especially during lifting. Using the heavy lifter, the amazing construction workers lower the staircase in the pre-designed space, perfectly aligning it in the ground. The use of machines and technology is headlining the digital transformation in the construction industry. While measuring, drilling, and fitting the pieces, the workers repeat the process, repeated until the desired result is achieved. As for the workers, safety comes first. This is a heavy piece of equipment that needs to be controlled at all times. They have to ensure they wear ear protection for the sound, eye protection for the broken pieces of stone, and dust masks for the debris. It's hard to ignore the role of technology in today's construction methods. This is yet another example that tech trends are not limited to in-house activities only. Number 3. Construction of stone wall. The following construction technique involves the making of stone walls. Dry stonework's durability and strength are wholly dependent on how it's stacked. For this purpose, a half-meter deep foundation of concrete in wall width is created. The mixed concrete is poured at the desired construction site, the point at which the construction workers start the process. Using shovels, wood, and smoothing plates, the workers' processing method is as fulfilling as the final product we're about to see. The workers create unique rock spaces and colors the concrete to replicate natural rock formations. Isn't that amazing? The construction technique and process do not involve much technology and heavy equipment, but the result is genuinely desiring. The workers then create faux finishes by applying concrete stains and dyes with rags, sponges, small brushes, feathers, and other unconventional tools. This is a popular technique of replicating variegated stone-like colors and textures. Using crazy construction techniques like hand carving, stamps, and texturing skins, the amazing construction workers transform ordinary concrete patios into natural stone-looking areas. The final process involves smoothing, fixing countertops, and spraying to give the surface desired appearance. It's called creativity at its best. For this unique construction process, it's indeed true that creativity is intelligence and having fun. Number 4. Zipliner wall lining installation. While there's no such thing as a perfect building material, drywall Zipliner comes pretty close. In our second last review, we look at the installation of Zipliner wall lining in detail. Zipliner is a wall lining system with metal sections and gypsum board for quick and high-quality lining on brick, block, and concrete structures. For installing this amazing wall, the materials include Zipliner channel, Zipliner bracket, wall angle, channel connector, drywall screws, M8 fasteners, and of course, gypsum boards. The first step requires the construction workers to make a line marking from the wall to the desired spot ceiling. Then they fix the wall angle using M8 fasteners before setting the wall angles vertically. The process must be conducted with utmost keenness. After making the necessary markings, the workers then drill holes at all intersections before inserting Zipliner channels into the wall angles. The first of the final stages involve fixing the gypsum board from the room corner. Another critical step involves mudding the wall. It gives the wall a seamless finish and creates a blank canvas for texture and paint. The workers are then required to tape the joints, marking an end to this amazing construction process. Adding a Zipliner wall lining is a necessary step for remodeling our homes or offices. This step-by-step process therefore comes in handy for those who have thought of changing their surroundings. Number 5. Exterior tile installation. Finally, we look at the ingenious installation of exterior tiles by skilled workers. For external installations, careful tile selection is essential. The first step requires the workers to check all surfaces to ensure they're clean and sound. They need to examine the concrete patios for cracks. The workers are needed to plan the tile layout to minimize cuts. This can be done manually or by using a machine. They then set the tiles using an exterior-grade thin-set mortar, working in small areas at a time to prevent premature drying of the mortar. The construction workers apply the mortar to the ground and the back of the tiles. This prevents air spaces between the tiles. As they place the tiles in position, they are needed to tap them lightly with a rubber mallet to ensure good bonding. Once the tiles are all in place, the workers remove any spacers or excess mortars. The final stages involve applying acrylic grout sealer to porous tile. The process does not include heavy equipment or complex construction techniques, but the processing method must be followed to the letter. A clean, precise tile installation is easier than you might think. With planning, preparation, and step-by-step advice, you can surely do it on your own. Thank you for watching our video on satisfying construction techniques as applied by skilled workers. Thanks to these men and women, the structures we use today are better now and for future generations. And we cannot overlook the role of machines and technology in all this. If you enjoyed our video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing content. Please give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new uploads. We value your feedback. Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comment section below.